Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today we're back in the kitchen. It's 1 week to Christmas. Can you believe it? We're getting so close. So happy Wednesday, happy Anti-Procrastination Day if you follow the Fly Lady system, which I still love it that every week there's an Anti-Procrastination Day because I always need it. And it's so funny how that day will come around and I'll decide, okay, today I need to get that thing done that I've been putting off for the last week. So something about it just tells my brain, no more procrastinating, today's the day to do it. So I'm gonna keep celebrating that for as long as I need to. So today we are on to mission number 13. I'm just looking at my holiday control journal. So it is the final week of our super cruising missions with the Fly Ladies system and her holiday planning and prepping. So for mission number 13, since it's Anti-Procrastination Day, she wants you to return any library books, send out any last packages or holiday cards. If you need to get something cleaned or drop it off or pick it up, donate, whatever it is, today is the day. Let's get it all done. And I have this cute little holiday, what is this called? Christmas book. It's from the library and it says a very merry paper Christmas. And when we were at the library last week, my daughter saw it and picked it up because she thought it looked cute. And there are some really cute little, projects in there. I don't know that we'll get around to making any of them. We have all kinds of other things we're doing, and it was festive and cute to look through. So anyway, I'm going to drop that back off at the library today because we are done with that and we can share that with someone else. There's still time. Maybe somebody wants to make some things in here. I have a few more cards to get out. I got almost all the way through my list yesterday, but I want to get a few more out. And we're hoping maybe tonight, since we normally, if you've been following along, normally Wednesday nights, my daughter and I both have our dance classes in the nearest larger town. But tonight we don't. We had our last one for the season last week. So I'm kind of hoping either tonight or tomorrow we could make a little quick round to visit the neighbors and drop off some holiday treats. That's something every year I've wanted to do. I think we've made it out to do it maybe once since we've lived here, and we've moved here. We've lived here 7 years. Yes, we moved here in 2012. So anyway, we have some really sweet neighbors and it'll just be nice to go around and visit and drop off a little treat. So, and I think my daughter's at the age now where that will be a little more fun. I think I did it once before she was born, and then after she was born, I thought it has to be the right weather and I have to be in the mood and we have to be able to take the stroller, because when she was real little, then I didn't want to be carrying her as we walked up the street. But now I think, she'll be fine. We can put on her coats. Weather doesn't matter. She can get herself around and it'll be fun. So anyway, thanks for joining me today. I hope you have lots of good things already done and you're just wrapping up the last few things for your Anti-Procrastination Day. And you're getting excited for Christmas. I get like a kid again when it's this time of year, and especially with the Fly Lady system. Maybe I'll just stop for a minute and say thank you to the Fly Lady, because every year I do some part of this cruising through the holiday system. It's never perfect. It's never to the letter for what she says to do, but just the fact that I start thinking about it a little bit early and I start doing something a little bit early, I always feel better by the time I get to this point in the season, and I'm so appreciative of that. I feel like every year I'm getting a little better and getting a little more streamlined and a little more efficient about how to do it, and what to just let go of and what I want to keep but do it a little faster or do it in a different time frame where it works better. So I'm just really grateful for that whole learning process, and even for Diane in Denmark here on YouTube, because what she has shared about the Fly Lady system has helped me so much too. She's made it very approachable, explained it in different ways, and shown different examples of how to do things. And in the end, her whole system is really just about making it work for you and where you're at any point, and giving yourself grace. And it's not about perfection. It's not about doing it her way. It's just about keeping things going, doing what you can when you can, and not letting perfectionism stop us from moving forward. So Can't go wrong with any of that, right? All right. Thanks again, guys. Have a great Wednesday. I'm excited to see you tomorrow for the second to last mission of our super cruising missions. And if you don't know, we also have some holiday cleanup missions. So after the holiday's over, I think it's the first 2 weeks in January, then we'll start doing our holiday cleanup missions. And I'm hoping I can take you around with me through the house as I take down decorations, that kind of thing. But even if not, if I'm just chatting with you here in the kitchen or in the dining room, it'll be great to see you then. So thanks. Have a good one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button down below. And I will look forward to seeing you tomorrow for our next mission. Bye-bye.